This recreation material has been obtained from Ajmer Short and Guide newspaper passage number 24. Full stop. The president stated that Pakistanis are a brave nation which, despite facing many adversities, withstood it all and remained steadfast. Full stop. 68 years ago, Pakistan started off from scratch and within only 5 decades became an atomic power, said the president. Full stop. The president noted with satisfaction that a consensus-based national action plan against terrorism and extremism has been formulated, expressing hope that the unity of nation will defeat the twin menace once and for all. Full stop. The president said that today Pakistan is facing many challenges and called for making concerted efforts to overcome these problems. Full stop. Paying tribute to personnel of armed forces and law enforcement agencies valiantly fighting the terrorists, the president reiterated that operation would continue till its logical conclusion. Full stop. I myself would go to the battlefronts and embrace the brave sons of soil gallantly fighting the dark forces of terrorism and extremism, affirmed the president. Full stop. The president also paid tribute to martyrs of Army Public School, adding that their sacrifices have proved that enemies cannot deter the resolve of Pakistani nation. Full stop. The president reiterated that Pakistan is a peace-loving country and believes in global peace, which is evident from participation of brave personnel of Pakistan armed forces in numerous peacekeeping missions of United Nations. Full stop. The president said that Pakistan desires equal and friendly relations with all its neighbors, adding that Pakistan wants to resolve all outstanding issues with India amicably. Full stop. The president reiterated that resolution of Jammu and Kashmir issue as per the aspirations of Kashmiri people and in the light of United Nations resolutions is the key to regional security and peace. Full stop. The president also called for taking effective measures for curbing corruption, emphasizing that corruption erodes the very fabric of a society. Full stop. The president said that the government is striving hard to revive country's economy, underscoring that it is the responsibility of every citizen to play his or her role in the development of the country. Full stop. The president also congratulated the nation on extension of Pakistan's sea boundary limits from 200 nautical miles to 350 nautical miles, adding that it would also enhance country's resources. Full stop. The president congratulated Ministry of Science and Technology, Pakistan Navy and National Institute of Oceanography for achieving this landmark success. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretarial Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Short and Computer College Shadra.